show here. It's Saturday, October 22nd, 2005. Is that right? The 22nd? Look, Mitch looks at his watch. I think it's Saturday. I don't know. Hey, we're supposed to be at work, aren't you, Mitch? Let's start out with the best part in the show here. Here's our posters here. Poster that John made there. Come back here. You don't have to put water in it then?
No.
Oh, okay. It's like an Al Capone quote. Al Capone mobile. Here's a pretty cool lowrider. 48 Chevy. Green. Mean and green. '58. Big truck there.
My dad changed his mind after that.
I knew it was in that range, but I don't know enough about Corvettes to... Ooh, that's sweet, huh?
There was only a couple years that they made a double headlight.
Yeah, right. Early 60s. I like the interior on these. They're nice.
Oh, yeah. That's nice. This year. Well, I'm glad you got it on nail down. This is what you wanted right at the beginning.
Then in '63 they went with a hidden headlight deal, you know,
Yeah, and in 63
with
they
the
totally got rid of all that.
split window and all that.
Yeah, split window.
It was just like a thin line down the window. That's it. Yeah. Look at this tub. I don't think I got this one yet. Kind of like a tricked out delivery truck there. Pretty neat. Huh. It's cool.
That's a good thing.
Woo! Man, that's sweet.
Oh, man. Look at the colors on that thing, man.
Wow. Man, that thing shined out. I don't even want to know how long it took to shine that thing up. Custom interior.
Big time.
Look at his running. Look at his swoop on that running board, man. That's great. Yeah, front end's like 1 inch off the ground. 1934 Chevy Master Deluxe.
After a long time.
Yeah, look at those choppers.
Grease lightning. Yeah, I like that. That's nice. Like a Air Force fighter though.
You know they're gonna bring that back, right?
Well, you know, Dodge came out with that one station wagon now that's all hopped up.
Yeah. It's like a mirror, man.
Yep. Got to get the Windex on that, huh?
Yeah.
See that one?
Haney, shiny.
That thing is shiny.
Shiny is your Haney.
I never have a gas tank.